Ladies and gentlemen, we now move into our second innovation corner for the day. Next up is a very special guest. Please join me in welcoming Kautilya Katariya, Kautilya Concepts, Python DSA Algorithms. Kautilya is an 8-year-old, but not a usual 8-year-old that we see. While children of his age are busy playing with toys and video games, Kautilya is a Guinness World Record holder as the youngest computer programmer at the age of 6. Today, at 8, he's an IBM Artificial Intelligence professional and a certified Microsoft Technology Associate. Well, we can't wait to hear what generated his passion in computing and how he aims to inspire the young generation to learn programming. Pleasure to have you here. Join us here this afternoon, Kautilya. Over to you.
Thank you, Justin. Hello, my name is Kautilya and I am a computing explorer and problem solver. I am an IBM certified AI professional and I am an associate member of Nasscom Foundation. I also passed the UK Secondary School Board Maths GCSE exam with the highest possible grade, 9, and I'm currently doing pre-college mathematics and competing with university students in programming. All of this is out of my interest by exploring online material, mostly YouTube without any special classes, coaching or tutoring. Occasionally I take help from my mentors in programming though. Thanks for inviting me. I just wanted to share my journey as a computing learner with you and everyone. So, as I said, I am a computing explorer and problem solver, and I love data structures and algorithms because I think that's the most important part to solve any problem. When I was around 6 years old, I used to watch a lot of videos over YouTube about technology and different algorithms, and then I used to try to code it on my laptop by myself. There are also different videos that tell different sorting algorithms, and the videos race them to get the fastest and sometimes the slowest one. I like that very much, and from here I started loving algorithms. Algorithms are everywhere. An algorithm is basically a set of instructions. For example, getting an ice lolly. There are different logical steps which we need to follow for this simple task, and I started coding from there to try and understand and implement complex algorithms like artificial intelligence, such as classification algorithms, regression algorithms, and clustering algorithms. Classification algorithms are part of supervised learning. They basically classify whether a point is in one group or another. For example, decision trees, random forest, KNN, etc. Regression algorithms are also part of supervised learning. They are used to predict the outcome of events, or sometimes the forecast. For example, linear regression, multivariate regression, etc. Clustering algorithms are part of unsupervised learning. One example is k-means clustering. I like KNN and Euclid's algorithm because I think they're both very simple and effective. So I was watching this video of Elon Musk, and he said that technology is changing so fast that we can't predict the future. And today we are surrounded by AI. In fact, we are using AI applications in different forms without even realizing it. For example, YouTube, Alexa, chatbots, GPS, etc. And it's still growing. I think in the future we might develop strong AI. Weak AI just imitates human behavior, but strong AI will actually be able to think like humans. I didn't know for sure what I would do in the future, but I might look for a completely different perspective of AI, and I really don't know what it could be. Also, I think the advancement of technology is a blessing for the planet. I mean, AI will be more useful than humans to the planet. For example, using image recognition AI technique, I've made a project to detect whether a picture shows fire or smoke or is just natural, which can be implemented in forests, and if attached with a camera, it can detect fires in a jungle, then immediately call the firefighter and save the forest and wildlife. I think the AI can also monitor pollution, climate change, and can warn us for any disasters. I am doing all this cool stuff because I like doing maths and problem solving in my free time, otherwise I'm too busy playing with my friend and my brother. I would like to say to everyone to keep learning and exploring your interests. Do what you love and love what you do. Take a break when you need it, and make sure you play outside the most important part. Also, I read a quote in my school, and I like it so much I want to share it here. Today's mighty oak is yesterday's tiny nut that held its ground. Thank you, Justin. Back to you.
Well, do what you love and love what you do. The young prodigy Kautilya. It was truly inspiring to hear the way you think and your journey thus far. We wish you the very best, Kautilya, and hope to have you join us here soon.